In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Amazon's CodeWhisperer, an AI coding companion, in VS Code. Let's start by installing AWS in VS Code by going into our extensions and typing in AWS Toolkit. Click Install. You know if you have successfully installed the extension if you see AWS on the left sidebar of our VS Code. We will now need to connect our AWS account to CodeWhisperer. Click Connect to AWS to get started and use personal email to sign up. Go ahead and click on the copy code. It will take us to our web browser. Go ahead and paste in the code that was provided. Click Next. Now we will need to make an account. Enter in your email address. Once you've entered in your email address, you will need to enter in your full name and hit Next. Go ahead and check your inbox and get your verification code and paste it in and hit Verify. You will now need to make your own password. Go ahead and create your password and hit Create AWS Builder ID and allow AWS Toolkit for your VS Code. You will now see this. That means you have successfully allowed access. To make sure CodeWhisperer is working, go ahead and click Start. Use personal email to sign up. Click Proceed. Use the code again provided. Open up to your web browser, paste in the code, and then hit Next. And then click Allow again. This will make sure that AWS is now working. You will now see this preview markdown file. That means you have successfully started up CodeWhisperer. You will know if CodeWhisperer is running if you see it under Pause Auto Suggestions under Developer Tools. As an example, I'm going to go ahead and create a function called toSums. As you can see, there's a preview that shows up generated by CodeWhisperers. On Windows, press Tab to auto accept. You can also press Alt-C or on Mac equivalent on screen to manually ask CodeWhisperer to generate a sample. Thank you all for watching. If you found this helpful, leave a like.